Greetings to all adventurers, explorers, and thrill-seekers tuning in to Trek Tales today. We're embarking on a journey into the ever-growing world of solo travel. Picture this. Every year, a staggering number of individuals, driven by an insatiable thirst for adventure, are choosing to traverse the globe alone. The appeal? It's the intoxicating freedom that comes with setting your own itinerary, the thrill of spontaneous decisions, and the profound self-discovery that only solo travel can offer. Imagine immersing yourself in diverse cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, and navigating through bustling cities or serene landscapes, all at your own pace. You're the director, the lead actor, and the audience in your own thrilling travel tale. But don't be mistaken, this isn't a journey for the faint-hearted. Solo travel can be a transformative experience, but it's not without its challenges, especially for beginners. Venturing into the world alone can seem daunting, with a whole host of challenges to navigate. The thrill of solo travel is undeniable, but it's also accompanied by a unique set of obstacles that can seem overwhelming, especially for beginners. Safety is often the first concern that springs to mind. Being alone in a new city or country without a familiar face around can feel intimidating. There's the challenge of ensuring your personal safety, from avoiding risky areas to keeping your belongings secure. Then there's the issue of loneliness. Solo travel offers a lot of freedom, but it can also lead to moments of isolation. There are times when you may wish for a companion to share the experiences, or to simply have someone to talk to at the end of a long day. Language barriers can also pose a significant hurdle. In a foreign country where English is not widely spoken, even simple tasks like asking for directions or ordering food can become a challenge. And let's not forget about managing finances. When you're on your own, you are solely responsible for budgeting your trip. From accommodation and meals to sightseeing and transportation, you need to keep a close eye on your expenses to avoid running out of money mid-trip. These challenges might seem daunting, but remember, they are part and parcel of the solo travel experience. Consider them not as deterrents, but as opportunities to grow and learn. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing the unfamiliar, and gaining a new perspective on the world and yourself. For instance, facing a language barrier can actually open up a whole new world of communication. You may learn to rely on non-verbal cues or pick up a few phrases in a new language. Similarly, managing your own finances can teach you valuable skills about budgeting and financial planning. But fear not, these hurdles shouldn't dissuade you. With careful planning and the right mindset, they can be overcome. After all, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, waiting to be seized. So, how can you turn these challenges into opportunities for growth and adventure? Firstly, learn the basics of the local language. This doesn't mean you need to become fluent. Just a few phrases like, hello, thank you, and where is the bathroom, can go a long way. Not only does it show respect for the culture, but it can also be a lifesaver in a pinch. Next, pack wisely. It can be tempting to bring everything you think you might need, but remember, you're the one who'll be carrying it all. Stick to the essentials and always pack versatile items. A rule of thumb is to lay out everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Another important strategy is to maintain a flexible itinerary. While it's crucial to do your research and have a plan, don't be rigid. Allow room for spontaneous adventures. You never know when an unexpected opportunity might present itself. Speaking of research, it's absolutely essential. Familiarize yourself with the local customs, laws, and safety concerns. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also be your shield. Check out online forums, travel blogs, and guidebooks. They are treasure troves of invaluable information from people who have been there and done that. Also, consider investing in travel insurance. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but when you're alone in a foreign country, it's better to be safe than sorry. It can cover everything from lost luggage to emergency medical expenses. Last but not least, always keep emergency contacts and important information handy. This includes the address and contact number of your accommodation, the nearest embassy or consulate, and local emergency services. Remember, the key to a successful solo journey lies in your readiness to adapt and learn. The challenges you face will become stepping stones to unforgettable experiences if you approach them with an open mind and a prepared spirit. Solo travel is not just about the destination, but also the journey. And armed with these strategies, you're all set to make the most out of your solo adventure. Now let's delve a little deeper into why it's so crucial to be prepared when traveling solo. You see, friends, there's a story I'd like to share. A few years back, on a solo trip to the stunning yet challenging Himalayas, I found myself caught in an unexpected snowstorm. The weather had taken a sudden turn, and I was miles away from the nearest village. I was alone, uncertain, and the temperature was dropping rapidly. But I had prepared for this. I'd done my research, packed my gear with careful consideration, and had a plan for such contingencies. I had a map, a compass, and a basic knowledge of the terrain which I had gathered from the locals and previous travelers. It was this preparedness that guided me through the blinding snowstorm to a sheltered area where I could set up my tent and wait out the storm. If I had not been prepared, if I had not taken the time to understand the area, the weather patterns, and what to do in such a situation, I might not have made it. It was a difficult and stressful situation, but my preparation paid off. It was an important lesson learned. That preparation is key, not just for challenging trips, but for all solo travel. You see, being prepared isn't just about packing the right gear. It's about understanding where you are going, knowing the potential risks and challenges, and having a plan to navigate through them. It's about being able to adapt when things don't go as planned, because in travel, as in life, they often don't. This is why we emphasize the importance of preparedness in all our Trek Tales videos. Traveling solo can be an amazing, life-changing experience, but it's not without its challenges. Being prepared, being mindful, and being adaptable. These are the keys to a successful and enjoyable solo travel adventure. That experience taught me the value of being alert and prepared, a lesson every solo traveler should take to heart. So, what have we learned about embarking on a solo travel journey? In our journey through this video, we've discovered the allure of solo travel. We've seen its increasing popularity and recognized the freedom, self-discovery, and the incredible stories it can bring. But we've also acknowledged that, like any great adventure, it comes with its own set of challenges. We delved into some of the common concerns faced by beginners, from feelings of loneliness and safety concerns to the daunting task of planning and navigating a trip all by yourself. But remember, these challenges aren't roadblocks, rather stepping stones on your path to becoming a seasoned solo traveler. We've discussed practical strategies to overcome these challenges. These included researching your destination thoroughly, staying connected with loved ones back home, and making an effort to meet new people during your travels. We also highlighted the importance of being adaptable and open to new experiences, while also setting boundaries and trusting your instincts. A key moment that stands out in our discussion is the emphasis on preparedness. We've learned that being prepared doesn't just mean having a well-planned itinerary. It also involves being mentally ready to handle unexpected situations and being proactive about your safety. And remember, preparedness isn't about eliminating every risk, but about knowing how to manage them. But perhaps the most important takeaway is this: every travel experience, whether solo or otherwise, is a learning opportunity. Each journey, with its highs and lows, teaches you something new about the world, and more importantly, about yourself. So as you step out into the world, suitcase in hand, remember to face each challenge with an open mind and a resilient spirit. Embrace the unexpected, relish the freedom, and gather stories that you'll cherish for a lifetime. Remember, every journey comes with its share of challenges, but it's how you handle these situations that truly shapes your travel experience. Thank you for joining us on this solo travel journey today. We're sure you've got some incredible stories of your own to share, and we'd love to hear them. If you've ever traveled solo or are planning to, drop a comment below and let us know about your experiences, your challenges, and the unique moments that make every journey memorable. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found our tips helpful. Sharing is caring, so spread the word among your fellow travelers and help them take on their solo journeys with confidence. And of course, subscribe to Trek Tales, your go-to place for all things travel. Want to stay updated with our latest travel tips and stories? Just hit that bell button and you'll be notified every time we publish a new video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sharing your incredible Trek Tales with us.